In this video we are going to talk about top 5 popcorn poppers. So before starting, please like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification to our channel for future updates. Going to the movies is still a little risky these days, so making some serious popcorn is one of the best ways to recreate the experience at home. Of course, we're not talking about pre-packaged microwave popcorn. Plus, they're usually high in salt, additives, fat, and other undesirable ingredients. Homemade popcorn is not only better tasting, but it is also much healthier. Plus, unlike the microwave, the best popcorn makers often don't take much more time or effort. When you make your own, you can customize it with seasonings and toppings, and it tastes better than the pre-packaged versions. Another advantage is that making your own popcorn will save you money over time. The difference between the three types of popcorn makers is how they heat the kernels, whether or not they require oil to cook them, and how much popcorn they can produce. Because it does not require oil or butter, an air popper is the healthiest option. They're small appliances that work by blowing hot air onto the kernels and then spitting them out. They're more expensive, but they're easy to use and clean. Microwave popcorn makers, on the other hand, are glass, plastic, or silicone bowls with a vented lid that are simply placed in the microwave. They may require a small amount of oil or none at all, depending on the model. Their advantage is that they're simple to use, quick, and dishwasher safe. Finally, stovetop popcorn makers, which resemble a regular pot but have a special stirring mechanism that keeps the kernels moving and prevents them from sticking to the bottom and burning, are a third option. They heat up quickly, only require a small amount of oil, and have a great flavor. They're usually simple to clean and last a long time. Prepare yourself for some delicious popcorn, regardless of which type you choose. The best popcorn makers come in a variety of sizes and prices, with the cheapest models starting at $15. Larger, more technical popcorn makers can cost up to $215 and produce significantly more popcorn. Popcorn makers are a great investment, regardless of how much you spend, because they ensure you always have movie-ready snacks on hand. 5. Westbend 82505 Stir Crazy Popcorn Popper. In about 4 or 5 minutes, this inexpensive oil popcorn maker can make 24 to 28 cups of delicious popcorn with virtually no burnt kernels. To make popcorn, the Westbend popcorn maker has a non-stick heating plate on the bottom with a stirring rod, and you'll need to add some oil. On either side of the device, there are handles that do not get hot during the process, which is a nice safety feature. This model is simple to maintain. The removable cover can be washed in the dishwasher on the top rack, while the base can be cleaned with soap and water. You can detach the stirring rod and hand wash and dry it before reattaching it. The electrical cord on this model is 29.5 inches long, which is a good length. The cord can also be stored on the device's base. In the user manual, there's a backup version online in case you misplace the printed one. Westbend also includes some fun and unusual recipes for jazzing up your popcorn snacks. You can make lime fiesta popcorn or urban fusion popcorn, and Westbend also has suggestions for flavoring your popcorn in unusual and fun ways, such as with celery flakes, crushed red pepper, or melted almond bark, or by dusting it with cocoa powder. 4. Cuisinart Easy Pop Hot Air CPM 100. The Cuisinart Easy Pop Hot Air CPM 100 makes it simple to make 10 to 15 cups of oil-free, air-popped corn that tastes great and has only 30 calories per cup, making it ideal for dieters. Put some butter in the circular warmer on top of the machine if you still want that butter boost. Although the Easy Pop produces excellent popcorn in a short amount of time, there were a few unpopped kernels. When making popcorn, the force of the motor can blow some stray pieces of popcorn onto the counter and floor, which can be a little messy. It's best to use a tall bowl to catch as much popcorn as possible to keep things tidy. The cord is 32 inches long, but there is no built-in storage area on board, so it may be difficult to store. The removable parts of this popcorn maker can be cleaned in the dishwasher, making cleanup a breeze. It's also small and light, weighing in at around 3 pounds. A measuring cup is included with this Cuisinart hot air popper, which is always useful. 3. Orville Redenbacher's Stirring Popper 05204. One of the best popcorn makers available is the Presto Orville Redenbacher's Stirring Popper 05204. The lid doubles as a bowl, and unlike a traditional air popper, there are no escape routes for unpopped kernels to litter your counter. The 05204 differs from an air popper in that it has a heating plate on which you can pour oil and kernels. We were pleased to discover that when we tested this popcorn maker, it left no unpopped kernels and no burnt popcorn, at least when we followed the instructions exactly. Because the bowl, lid, heating plate, and stirring rod are not dishwasher safe, you'll have to do some hand washing after you've finished eating your large bowl of fresh popcorn. The Orville Redenbacher's Stirring Popper 05204 is a great popcorn maker that we recommend if you don't mind using oil to pop your kernels and need a lot of popcorn quickly. 2. Cuisinart's CPM 700 Easy Pop Popcorn Maker. The Cuisinart's CPM 700 Easy Pop Popcorn Maker is a tough competitor for a top-tier oil popcorn maker. In just 6 minutes, you can make 14 to 16 cups of fresh, tasty popcorn with this well-designed popper. In our tests, it left no unpopped or burned kernels behind if you follow the manufacturer's instructions to the letter. The bottom of this cheerful red popper has a heated plate with a stirring rod that moves in a circular motion. Push the button to start, then add the recommended amount of oil and popcorn. A clear plastic dome protects this device and allows moisture to escape through vents. It also prevents popcorn from splattering all over the place while popping, and you can use it as a serving bowl later. This popper comes with a measuring cup so you can figure out how much popcorn you want to make, and the instruction manual and Cuisinart's website both have fun recipes for things like curry popcorn, curry powder, turmeric, and cayenne pepper, and buffalo popcorn, buffalo powder, turmeric, and cayenne pepper, hot sauce and cider vinegar. The Cuisinart popper is easy to clean, has rubber feet to keep it in place, and comes with a 3-year warranty and excellent customer service, including a how-to-demo video on the company's website. It comes with a 27-inch cord, which is relatively short for popcorn makers and could be a disadvantage if your kitchen only has a few outlets. The Cuisinart's features, performance, and extras, however, make it a top-notch popcorn maker. 1. Pop Light Hot Air Popcorn Popper. The Presto Pop Light is a simple air popcorn maker with few bells and whistles. It's simple to prepare, especially since no oil is required, and simple to clean up, making it ideal for a quick, tasty low-calorie snack. Simply plug in the pop light, wait for it to heat up, then add your popcorn kernels and enjoy a bowl of hot, fresh popcorn in 2 to 3 minutes. We liked how the popped popcorn looked and tasted when we tested the pop light, but we were disappointed by how many unpopped kernels were left behind. It left the most residue of any popper we tested. Fortunately, for the price, this popcorn maker performs as expected, and unlike some of the other air poppers we tested, it doesn't spew as much popcorn and kernels all over our kitchen counter. So that's it for today's video. What do you think of our list? Let me know in the comment section below. Check out the link in the description for more info on these poppers. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification before you go. Thanks for watching.